Welcome to Math with Professor V. I'm Professor V, the creator of all of the content here, and I just wanted to introduce myself and give you a little bit of background. So I am a full-time community college math professor, and I started this YouTube channel back in 2019 to provide students with an additional resource to help them learn math more easily, particularly the calculus series. So you'll find full-length lecture videos and short-form videos on this channel covering pretty much every topic from calculus 1, 2, and 3, as well as pre-calculus, intermediate algebra, introductory statistics, differential equations, and more. And when I'm not teaching or making videos for YouTube, in my spare time, I love anything fitness related. So you'll probably find me riding my Peloton or at hot yoga. I still take ballet occasionally, and I lift weights regularly. So I love anything that has to do with fitness. Also, one of my biggest passions is travel. I love traveling the world, learning about new cultures and other places and ways of life. And I do spend a good amount of time in the summer at the beach. I love reading, the sun, the sand, all of that stuff. Another interesting fact about me is that I come from a family of female mathematicians. Both my mom and my sister are also full-time math professors. So it goes without saying that I really love math, and I hope that that comes across in my videos. And I hope that they are helpful to you and that they help you succeed in your math goals and endeavors in your educational journey. Thank you guys so much for your support. For those of you who have been loyal viewers and subscribers for years, I truly appreciate it. And if you could all subscribe and share this channel with your friends, classmates, or anybody that you think would enjoy these videos, it would really mean so much to me. Thank you guys again. I'll be back sooner than later with new content. I love recording and uploading pretty frequently. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well. Bye. Mwah.